All right, tough guy, red shirt, boom, punches a dude in the face. We are outside. This is everyday life for these people. People don't seem alarmed. Seems like the type of environment where things like this happen. He's running around harassing people, and he is king of the hill right now. He finds somebody else. That person submits. This time, submission was good enough to save him from getting jaw-jacked. Female who probably knows him or is his girlfriend steps up and tries to stop him. Dangerous thing to do, but everyone else stays in line. Now he's harassing an old lady. He's walking around. Strong men. Thinking about strong men when it comes to this. He walks up to white shirt guy, knocks him out. Oh! 1 minute! Boom! Tactical protection review. Learn protection strategies from a protection professional. What can we learn from this situation? You guys hear me talk about how protectors are the white blood cells in the body of humanity, right? Protectors are the thing that stops the bleed. They're the thing that attacks the virus in the body of cells, right? You see a big guy like this running around harassing people, beating guys up. He's moving like he might be under the influence of something. He wants to practice stuff he learned at MMA camp, whatever it is, right? And this strikes fear into people. But what I want you guys to realize is that healthy masculinity is good masculinity. Healthy masculinity is actually self-correcting. And as you see someone like this dominate an environment, who dominates the environment? Whoever's strongest, whether it's a good person or a bad person. So the more people we can arm, the more people we can prepare, the more people we can make competent, the more people we can make capable, the more people can stand up against evil and misguided individuals when they need it. It's a consequence of the world that there are going to be misguided people that are going to need it, right? Whether they need to be extinguished or they just need to be stopped. Like in this case, the reality simply is whoever's the strongest and most formidable and most tactically sound, who's the most effective at using the tool of violence, which also is what keeps you safe. The reason you can sleep at night and MS-13 doesn't kick in your front door, or whatever gang or tribe or whatever it is in your environment doesn't take everything from you, is because of the threat of good people. That's what keeps the world in balance. So men, become formidable, become strong, so you don't have to be like these other men sitting here trying to hide their faces, right? Trying to hide themselves as they are effectively being dominated and held hostage by this guy. A whole bunch of just people sitting here hoping that they don't get targeted. This guy with his wife sitting here with his wife as the bad guy walks by, and pushes her chair right in front of them. No one can do anything, right? This is where a champion comes in. Someone who defends the people, someone who's strong in service of the people. Share this, men, so you can be the guy that can protect, that can provide, that can be the guy that can stop evil. You don't want to be sitting there with your family and not able to do something to protect them. If you find yourself in a situation like this, that can happen anytime you're out and about in public. This is exactly why we want more good people to be more dangerous, more formidable, more armed, more prepared. Hit the links in my bio. Join us, the Protector Nation. This is ByronRodgers, man of peace, reminding you to be peaceful but not harmless. Out. Boom! Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there, and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.